Hi, I'm David, cooking the lemon drizzle cake for I Love Butter. This is going to be bad. It's going to be bad. Yeah, so here we go. Yeah? All of the butter. 250 grams. 250 grams of butter, 250 grams of sugar. You mix it in until it got creamy. Alright?
How do you say it?
Creamy. Until it goes creamy. I won the best in show when I was 15 in an Irish baking contest in a school hall for a hazelnut yogurt cheesecake with a hobnob base.
No.
Alright, I feel that's
Okay,
good.
I think we're nearly there. I think.
Free range, yeah?
Yeah.
Always. I bet they're not. Yeah, half a cup of milk.
Now you can.
This looks like we're making scrambled eggs. Look. They're fluffy. Mix through with a spatula / spoon.
I'm born ready.
Do we shake with the left or?
You can shake it, you can shook it, you can do whatever you want.
I feel like it's better going the other way. Alright. To me.
Alex said you're not very domesticated.
Ready for mixing?
Alright, princess. No spatula, princess. No more mixer into sauce.
Fold the eggs.
Fold. Can you
Fold.
fold? Not
We
mix,
can
fold.
fold.
That's a big word, Murphy. Fold.
My baking skills are strong.
Show us how to fold.
Like real estate agents drink vodka and coke when they're forced to do baking. Alright. In lockdown.
Lockdown.
Okay.
How good is it? Taste your batter. Is it good? How good is it? Oh shit!
Okay.
Sorry. Voila!
339. Oi, 341. We'll do that.
Okay.
Hey,
turn around and say hi.
Hi. All open shot.
You're good. You're good. You're good. Should we take it out? It is sinking because we kept open. Not we. You.
Look at me.
You. You kept open the oven.
It's because we keep taking
It has to be clear. Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Just.
You can't. Should start with a tablespoon of lemon juice and then stop and then just stop.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. We are born ready.
Oh shit. It's gonna go all over my.
Oh, check that out.
What do we think about the well in the middle?